So I have to talk in English now. So Abdullah has this. Oh, this is only the header. Oh, okay. So let me make it a little bit bigger. How am I gonna? Okay, copy paste, copy, and Abdullah, do you have the implementation? Do you have the implementation? Just submit it to. Okay. So Abdullah's header is like this. So usually in C++, we take our privates to the end, remember? We try to kind of hide them. He's trying to keep his data as a character array like this. This is my no parameter constructor. Well, he implemented it, but I would do this. I would do, so Abdullah, how are you gonna keep your length of the string? You are going to keep null terminated string? I mean, if you are going to use a null terminated string strategy, then you have to do this str0 is null character or 0. Let's do it proper way. Okay, backslash 0, right? So everybody knows that your first character is 0. He has enough room here, that's fine. This is the other constructor, but I would make this a constant character string because I'm not going to modify it. Then this is the operator plus. Again, the operator plus should take a constant my string and put a constant at that to print string. No, the print string is not like this because remember what did I say? I said I want this to work, right? How is that going to work? We should write something like, okay, O stream. It's going to return an O stream. Where is my ampersand? I found it. Then operator stream insertion. Okay, the first parameter is a O stream again, and ampersand. Okay, this is our stream object, and the second parameter is a constant my string object. Let's take it with a reference and my object. Okay. So this is how we overload stream insertion operator. But don't forget. Okay, somebody made this mistake. Who made this mistake? It was exactly what was the problem? Yeah, this is not our function. This is our friend function. Okay. So Abdullah, where is your plus plus operator, and where is your plus plus operator? You forgot? Okay. Question?
Line 6 shouldn't be friend function.
No. Why?
Because it's
Well, if it's a friend function, it should take two parameters, right?
yes.
Well, I mean, if you want to make it a friend, a global, yeah, make it two. Well, yeah, maybe we can, yeah, depending on how we are going to use it, we may prefer to implement this as a global function. Did anybody else submit their results? Let's get that. So, Abdullah, you lost some point here. Okay. And this const, maybe I can ignore this one, but this one was important. This one was important. You forgot this one. You forgot plus plus and minus minus. So out of 100, maybe you got 15. Okay. What else? Okay, let's go to the submissions again. How am I going to, why this is not, okay, here it is. Other than Abdullah, we have anybody in this list who likes to be a volunteer to be?
I'm submitted now.
Is that, which one is good?
Ahmed.
Ahmed? Ahmed Eid, okay, you're second there, okay. Let's look at your submission. So you submitted as exe file. Okay, let's look at your, can I do this? No. I need to download this, right? Is that, yeah. I have downloaded it. Open it. Yeah, okay, here it is. So let's extract it. Can I click on it? Oh, okay, good. So Ahmed, he implemented some of the stuff too. So he's keeping his data as string, which is okay. I mean, so he doesn't have any problems with keeping the characters and etc. Again, I would put this at the end, not at the beginning. And the first thing he is doing is he is doing this assignment to text. Okay, since text is a string, this assignment will work. Okay, so he's initializing it. The second one is it takes a string, but I would take it as a constant string reference. Okay, remember the rule? The rule is all the class objects are taken as references because they are large to prevent modification, constant references. If size is less than 1000, then assign it. Otherwise, this is max reach. So Ahmed, what happens if I like to make my string max reach? I mean, yeah, I think exiting would have been a better solution here. Or truncate it, assign the first 1000 characters, okay? Because, I mean, the user would not know there is a problem because I made an object and it is just done. And at the end, when I try to print this out, this string out, then it's going to print max reach on the screen, okay? So set text is going to, again, don't forget your, this one. Again, when you do this, if you are going to check this 1000 thing, you have to check it again. You are not checking it. Okay, this is get text. You are returning your string. And usually we return this kind of stuff with a const so that nobody can modify it. This const is nice. And function operator plus is going to take, well, this will not work with my string, right? This will work with string. But I would make this my string, and it will work with the strings, right? Because you have an overload. This is your conversion constructor. Okay? This is a conversion constructor. This will automatically convert this one to a my string object, right? So that's so I change it to constant my string. This is the index operator. It takes an index and it returns a character reference. Stream insertion, okay, like I did. Okay, these are the increment operators, and that's the header. Let's look at his CPP file. Where did it go? Where is CPP file? Is this your CPP file? Is that? Oh, okay. So, did you get the error? Did you get the mistake in this function implementation? What? There is a very bad error here, logical error. There is a, yes, there is a very bad error here. Yes. Yeah. You should not use cout here because, I mean, cout is a global object. It is not the object that is passed to you. You should put this one in, right? Otherwise, I mean, if I keep using cout all the time, okay, if I am trying to print something to a file or to some other place, this will not work, okay? It will compile and it will look, it is running, but it's a logical error. So index operator is this text. Why do you have to say this text?
When I use get text, it doesn't return me any address, a copy of address, and I change it.
But your text is a string, right?
Yes, but it doesn't change anything.
But what if you say this? Okay, this will work. And it's nice that you are returning a character reference so that I can do that assignment. And the plus operator, it says that get the string, get my text, put it on it. And again, this is I don't like these kind of lines. I mean, I am calling a plus operator and it's printing something on the screen. Okay? If there is an error, do something else. Don't perform the plus operator or exit from the program or that kind of stuff. Okay? By the way, this is supposed to be a const function, right? And you are returning, okay, get text. You are not modifying anything, right? This is supposed to be a const function. How come this compiled? Did it compile? Where is your plus? Yeah, we forgot about it. That's a serious mistake. Const function. This is supposed to be a const. Okay, let's look at the plus plus operator. Okay, this says prefix is this one, postfix is this one. Are you doing exactly the same thing? So what is the difference between prefix and postfix then?
I return an object, but I can.
Okay, let's look at the prefix. Let's put the prefix one, okay? There is a temporary string, and he is doing this. He is doing this. He is getting the characters of the current string one by one, and he is incrementing them by one, and he is adding it to this temp. Okay? Well, kind of a, yeah, that's a implementation, but I think we could have done it a little bit better. We could say string temp, and this one is get text, right? I can do this. And then auto character temp, temporary string, right? Okay, auto character temporary string, and I am going to increment the CHR one by one, but I need to make this a reference index. So this CHR is going to be a reference to each of the characters of this temp, and every time I am incrementing it, and I am setting this temp, right? Okay. So this is our prefix. How about the postfix? Postfix is going to be exactly the same as this, right? Let me copy and paste. But first, okay, I need to take a backup of my original object. Okay, I need to take a backup of my original object. Oh no, oh well, okay, no. Okay, all I am going to do is just get rid of this line, right? And well, am I not supposed to return something? Oh, these are all wrong. Okay, this is supposed to return a my string object, and this is supposed to return a my string object. Okay, and this will return this will return this will return this, and this one should return what? You tell me. What should I return? What should I return here? Temp is a string. I need to return a my string. Return my string what? Return my string. Well, temp is modified, right? What am I going to return? Maybe I should get another, okay, another backup of, okay, this is the backup of my data, and return backup. Okay. So that's it. Stream insertion is done. Index operator is done. Others are done. There are a few things that I like to talk about. Maybe on Monday I'm going to talk about them. Okay. So that's it for this session.
Hocam bence bu iyi bir yöntem.
What?
I think this is not a good way of learning new concepts.
Okay, thank you. So what would be a good way of learning stuff? I talk here and you sleep?
Because I cannot watch yesterday these videos.
Well, that's your problem. Okay.
Maybe lots of.
Okay, I'll see you on Monday.